guys, and today we are going to be opening up a fidget pack. Well, we got we got 3 of the extras as well. That's number 4, Sophie. 3 extras. Keep in. So we have oh, I was right. There is 4 extras. Oh my, wait, no. There is 3 extras. I can't remember. So we have these little ring things, magnet rings, an infinity cube, and like a fidget pop, which is basically a fidget, the puppet, burglary. And then we have the big whopper, So I think first thing we'll open up the puppet because like that's where all the excitement comes from. So we have this. Let me cook. I'm gonna. Okay, now we're going to try this side because this side's better. And yep, that is the glitter puppet, so we'll put that right on the side. And okay. Next thing is we will open up. The ring. The little magnetic rings that are golden. I think you could probably get silver one because it's open the box you can. So maybe you can turn them inside out because the inside are silver. Here they are. And you can put your fingers in like that. I don't know. See, I don't really get the point of these ones. It's just like that and stuff. And then like, yeah, magnet. They are a bit thicker than like the usual ones. Because I do have some like regular ones. Like a green and orange one. They're not like this thick. But if you like something that's like what the rings but like fit, these are good. And this is all from the works. And yeah, we have British, so it's like British. Okay, so this is a infinity cube, which I've never owned before. This is my like first time having one, basically. So I'm not sure what I should be expecting. I've seen people in my school with them before, so I know how they work. I dropped it on the floor, that's great. This is actually cool, like this. See? Although this can make a sound, but it's actually like really quiet. It's like if you want a fidget cube that's like quiet, you can get this because it actually is quiet. It's like my favorite texture. Like I'm not keen on the texture, but it is cool fidget nonetheless because I do like the design. Besides, I'm not sure, like half of it isn't like matched. Like they're like all matched, see? Which is cool, but I would like it if like they were all matched because it would have been hard to do the design, but it would have been really cool if they did do that. So yeah. Okay, let's quickly just do this again. Yep, and now we can put it back together. I'll put them all on here. So that's all the extras. Infinity cube, the rings, and the puppet. So now we are going on to the big whopper. I can't open it, that's great. wait, why am I trying to open it like that? I just took off that thing, but I don't want to. Then what scissors. Okay, so we'll go for. Should we start with the poppet first? Yeah. So we got this like really like it's like really neon orange poppet. Or is it red? Is that all red?
No, it's orange.
So like yep, orange. Let me quickly just do this. So like I'll do it like this. That is good. I like that. It's like so we have 2 puppets now. Okay, let's see what else. There's another one which I like. I like the texture way more on this one than the Galaxy one. So yeah. So this one I like a lot more. Yeah. This one makes clicking noises, which is really fun because I like noises and clicking things. So like I like the click noises, like when you like click on something. I like their noises. Like typing, I like typing noises. So like out of these 2, this one has like better, like it's more flexible really, like than this one, and I like a better. This one here, a bit rougher, and this one here smoother. So I do like this one here better, and it's just like plain. This one does the design is a bit like funner on this one, but I just like this one because like simple and stuff. Me. So we have a pea popper, which I've never had one of these as well. So, oh, I don't know how they are, but okay, I'm not sure. Half the time when I see people with them, like at my school when I used to be able to have them, they always get like the peas for some reason. Like the peas always come out, like the little one, he doesn't actually work for some reason. So that is cool. I like that. Also, I don't know why the peas are like. Is it like slippery so the peas can actually come out? I think that's probably why. So now we have 2 marble meshes, which I already have. I already have like one a yellow one, but a yellow and purple one is cool. Also, yep, this is really big. So like it's big. I think it's bigger than the one I have. Or like I like the marble patterns as well. You can't really see it, but marble patterns are really good. Okay, let's see. Yeah, we have a puzzle thing. Oh, I've got a puzzle ball. So like you put the different balls into different spots. You have to like mix them up to match. You have to like match them up. See, I can do it right now. So like that. Like I mixed them all up into different ones, like here I mixed them all up, like they're not in the correct spaces. Then you'd redo the puzzle again, which the puzzle is easy because I haven't really done it before, but I've seen a lot of people at my school do it. So yeah. Like I thought. Now we have these 2, which I am not sure. Okay, I think I have an idea what they may be. But okay, I think we'll go with the smaller one because the small one's not making any noise. Which okay. I don't know what it is because I didn't really look at what most of the content of the box. Cause I wanted to like surprise myself. Well, I didn't really surprise myself because I actually knew most of the things that were in the box. Yay! It's these things. I haven't. I haven't used it before. Honey, honey, honey. So that looks like it's that looks like it's the magic snake or something. I don't know what this is, but I like it. I like the noise it makes. It goes to green. Oh my gosh, you can take it on and off things, but I think I'm gonna probably keep it like. I can stop. Okay, I don't know how to re-put it on. So yeah. I don't know how to put it back on, but yeah. Okay, got back on. But it goes from. Oh, Ellie likes it. Ellie. See? So it goes from green, purple, pink to blue. And then I actually took it off, but seems cool. I'd like to see more of that because I've not seen anybody with them before, so yeah. So I am gonna open up the next one, which I do not really. So I'm thinking I have an idea of what it is from the contents of the box. Yep, it's these. So we'll join them all up first, okay? So we got a bunch of different ones of these things. It's like the thingy one. I forgot the call, but like the Rocky Tracks. Yeah, I have Rocky Tracks like a chocolate person. Good. My mum's finding me boring. She's sleeping. Mum, I don't know how to put these together. You can put them.
Them.
I'm not sure you do. Yeah, they should be.
Slot in them.
Honey, honey, honey.
And you can put them to the side and that. So it depends how you want to make it, because you can have them to the side like that, or you can have them put through the holes. Depends which way you're.
Being put like that. Or you could put it like that. See?
Just depends which way you want it.
I found a body beside the yeah, because somewhere here. Okay, I'm gonna put this one back in the box because I'm probably gonna lose it if I don't. So yeah. Okay, it's half of it doesn't go in. I have a time lapse for me trying to put this in. Okay, so we got that. I think I got all them. Now, so all of these packs, I think the ones that I liked the best were this Infinity Cube has got to be my favourite out of the pack. My second favorite is gonna have to be these two, just because the marble meshes, because I just really like the marble inside and how fun they are and like large. They're like bigger than normal marble meshes, and also I'm not sure about the pea pods because they're a bit greasy and like I'm not sure if they're supposed to be greasy, but also I do like the poppets. I do like everything in it. I think it would in also this is on well most of this pack right here. Fidget Fun Box is only £10 in the UK. I'm not sure how much it would be for Americans. It is on the Works website, so I'm not sure Americans can buy from there. I don't think so.
Put a link down below.
Yeah, I'll put a link as well down below. Also, I'm not sure what you do with this one and this one. So if you have any ideas, please can you link them down below. Link them. You don't like. Oh wait. It's like a little envelope. Just I don't get how Americans call envelopes envelopes. What you can't spell. I thought you offended half the Americans. Well, look at you. I think I've just offended Americans. Evil, unpredictable, imposter, inconceptible. One body besides reactions, the body is orange. Oh my goodness! Sasha! I didn't stop the car, but when I go through. Okay, I don't know how. Yeah, she's just as much as me. But when the song, yeah, okay, I need to figure out how I can put this on. I'm gonna leave, I'm gonna fly, I'm gonna feel, I'm gonna da. I know exactly what I'm going to. Oh, stop trying to interrupt me. Okay, yeah. Well, I'll try to do this off camera because I'm not going to spend half the time. Or let me try to, wait, we can try this again. I think it will be possible if, probably. It is probably possible. Okay, yep, it is possible. I'm doing it right. Doing it kind of doing it right now. See, look. Oh, and I'm making it. I know exactly what I want to do. Okay, so yes, I'm good. So wait, it's okay. Wrong way. Wait, why are you in little faces? So, guys, bye my sussy whoppers. Bye my sussy imposters. Bye my little sussy imposters.
If you like me, give me a thumbs up or subscribe.